Hey, it's Mark Ferguson with Invest for More, and we're outside a house flip and going to do a progress video on this property, show you what we've done so far, and we're also going to look at some storm damage. As you can see, we got a lot of snow in Colorado, probably 17 to 20 inches in our area. There's more in other towns where we have flips as well, but we're kind of checking on properties to see if there's any damage, and this is one that does have some tree damage we'll show you here too. So of course, check out investformore.com for much more information on our flips, rentals, being an agent, all that great stuff. And let's go take a look at the house. So here is the flip, which we bought 3 or 4 months ago, and we've slowly been working on it. As you can see right there, the neighbors had some tree damage that came down on our driveway, and hopefully it doesn't come down on the house too. But it's interesting because these are pine trees, right? These are built to withstand snowstorms or in the mountains, and the snow is so heavy and wet, it is bringing down some of these pine trees, which you rarely see. And this was just, yeah, like I said, lots and lots of snow, but then really, really heavy, wet snow. It rained for a little bit beforehand. It didn't stick forever, so just super thick snow, and you can see like these trees are bearing a lot of weight. And part of me wants to make this section right here fall down, but I don't have a giant stick or anything with me. But you can see right here, that's a lot of snow. If I throw a brick at it, we'll see if we can make it come down. That was a pretty good brick, and it just stayed in the tree. Oh, it's so close. We have more, don't worry. There we go. That was so exciting. All right, we'll take a look at the house. Okay, so we haven't done everything here yet, but we have done quite a bit. This is the house. I did a video on the cost to replace the bathrooms and the cost to replace windows. So you might remember this house from that video, and you can see we did the windows here. This is one big giant window, and you can see we put in smaller windows and framed them out. That was much cheaper than getting a huge, massive window. And I go over the exact cost for everything in that video. And then we're gonna paint. We haven't painted yet. Obviously, we'll do flooring. We'll refinish this hardwood, add carpet back here. It was $2,000 to have hardwood put in this back area. And we decided just to do carpet because it wouldn't be level. There'd be a lot of different things to tie in, a lot of demo. So we decided carpet was easier, and it shouldn't affect the selling price at all. Here we have the 3 bedrooms upstairs. These used to have shag carpet in them and old windows, and now you can see it has new windows and the hardwood that we will refinish. Kind of crazy. This house is built in the era where they put hardwood down, but then covered it with carpet. Not quite the same trend or style you have today where everybody wants hardwood. This bathroom is one where we're gonna keep most of it here, just do a real minor work. And we talked about that in the how to remodel a bathroom video, which you can always search for, Invest for More. Just search for cost to remodel a bathroom, or I'll try to link to it below too. So new windows in here. And then they made this a laundry room at one point. We'll take all that out and turn this back into a bedroom. Then we'll have the new kitchen is in right here. Oh, as you can see, we'll link to the old video before to show you what this looked like before. But they're pretty old, ugly cabinets. Now we have the newer white shake cabinets, counter from Home Depot. And then this scared me one time. This right here, we'll see if it does it. It's not too crazy now, but I was in here before and I turned that on, thinking it's a light switch, and it took, a few minutes for it to actually turn on. And then I was in the bedroom or something and I heard this screeching sound. I'm like, oh, what just happened? But it was just that fan. All right, this house has a full basement too, which is nice. And we'll get some of these lights turned on too. There we go. And again, down here, we're just doing mostly painting. I know there's a lot of wood paneling, a lot of different 60s and 70s stuff going on, but it'll be okay if we paint it. It won't be the end of the world. It's a basement. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect, especially in a market like we're in right now. We bought this house for $230,000 from the MLS, so I got a commission when I bought it. We're probably spending $30,000 to $35,000 on it, maybe not even that much. Forgot to turn all my lights on. Sorry. And then when we first bought it, we thought it would be worth like $330,000, $325,000 maybe. And now I think this property is worth well more than $350,000. Prices have just been skyrocketing. So that's a nice thing when that happens to properties you own. In here, we'll do a vanity or sink, and we're going to try painting these tiles, I think, but we'll see how that turns out. If it looks really stupid, we'll redo the shower, but that would save us a lot of money by doing that. All right, so that is the house, except for like the laundry room, which is right here. And I've showed you guys the laundry room before. Oh, it's got a pull string. There it is, looks the same. But the exciting part, or one of the exciting parts, will be out back, because that's where we had more storm damage. I don't know if you saw it through the windows or not, but you can see parts of it right there. What do you think's around this corner? Oh, look, it's the neighbor's tree in our yard. So, and the dog, who could easily jump across that tree if he wanted to come get me. So hopefully he's a nice dog. He just likes to bark at neighbors. But at first, we pulled up and saw this and thought that our tree had come down. But then as we got closer, hey puppy, hey buddy, you can see it was a neighbor's tree that came down, came through the fence, and is in our yard. So, obviously, that needs to be taken care of. I'm guessing, since it's a neighbor's tree that fell through our fence, or both of our fences, into our yard, they'll be the ones taking care of it, but we'll see how that goes. All right, so that's the property. That's the update for right now. Love to hear what you guys think of this one. They try and get the door shut. We'll go see some more properties, see if there's any more storm damage or not. And then this one, of course, will progress. I think we need to get it painted next, get a few minor things done, and then do flooring, and then we should be good to go. Except for like appliances, real little stuff like that. Oh, we still need lights. Those need done. So maybe there's more here than I thought, but we're getting closer. All right, thanks for watching. Really appreciate the support, the likes, the comments. Keep those coming. And we'll have many more videos come up here soon. Maybe we'll have some more storm damage videos if we find more stuff. Maybe not. And it's spring, so the snow will be melting fast. And it'll be super nice out here in a few days, and we'll be okay. But always, I think it's fun to have these big storms come through, and hopefully they just don't do too much damage. All right, we'll be back soon.